Hey guys, what up? It's Dan from AutoMotivationZ here with another car care review, if you will. So I got a subscriber request to talk about the Bowers & Wilkins. So this has the $3,400 Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Sorry, can't talk. And when you get it, the car sounds pretty flat. And I was very underwhelmed when I first got this car until I actually played around with the settings. Now, there's two ways you can do the settings. One, you can do it right from here, and you can just say audio settings. It'll bring up the audio settings. But we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. So you're gonna go to My Vehicle. You're gonna go to iDrive Settings, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down to Bowers & Wilkins Tone. Now, there's different tone profiles. Now, mine is on Studio right now, as you can see. And I like the Studio. It sounds pretty good. The treble I have up a little bit, and the bass I have up pretty much all the way. Now the equalizer is the most important thing. So even with all of that, the equalizer, you need to turn the bass up on that, I found. So this first one right here, see how it goes up and down? I have it pretty much all the way up. I have a one click down from all the way up. And that's really what gets you the tone that you're looking for. I get a decent amount of bass. It's not overpowering. You don't have to, you don't have to turn it up really loud to get the really loud deep bass. But that's really where you're gonna see most of it. Now, there is some mid-gain stuff in there that you can do, and there's some treble kind of stuff you can do in there. You can kind of play around. You can see what works for you. What works for me might not be the greatest for you, and vice versa. So if that's how you're looking to do it, that's how you can do it. Now we'll go back to menu. So what you can do otherwise is you can go in and you can hit your button right here, audio settings.
Please change the tone settings manually.
And that's what you got. So it'll bring you to the same thing. I use that button for everything. It's a game changer. I absolutely love using that. I use it for everything. I use it to call people. I use it to change radio stations if I need to sometimes. Other than the flicking your finger to change the station. So I hope that was helpful. You guys, like I mentioned before, if you ever have any subscriber requests, throw them up on the channel. I'm easily attainable to where I can make specific videos for whatever you're looking for. This was specific to the M5 and the Bowers & Wilkins. Not specifically to the M5, but specifically to Bowers & Wilkins itself. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I have a lot more stuff coming up. I did recently go to Barrett-Jackson. Look for that video as well. That'll be coming up actually probably today. And yeah. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You know that. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am truly grateful to be bringing you this content. So thank you again. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.